James Carl Compuesto, and I share my reflection on my ethics subject and how it has changed my perspective. One specific concept from the theology that really changed my perspective is the idea that actions are morality right or wrong based on whether they follow a duty or principle, not based on the consequences. I had always been through, especially growing up, that the ends justify the means. But when I studied the theology, especially Kant's emphasis on duty and treating people as end in themselves, it made me stop and question that mindset. This really hit home in a workstation. I was asked to cover for a co-worker who made a mistake on a report. I started thinking it just to keep the them looking good, which would have been the consequentialist way to think. But then I remember what I learned from the theology, that honesty and accountability are duties no matter the outcome. So I choose to be honest, even though it feels uncomfortable. That experience made me realize that being ethical, it's always about what is easy or most beneficial in the short term. It's about respecting moral principle. Since then, I apply that thinking in other areas of my life to a life and how I communicate with family or make difficult choices at school. It's definitely affected my goals and behavior. Now, I think more about who I want to be rather than just what I want to achieve. I want to be someone who acts with integrity even when no one's watching. That means being honest, following through on responsibility, and not comprehending my value even under pressure. Learn about theology did just change how I think. It made me want to live differently.